Hey guys, today we are going to be talking about the Mabit plug and play fog lights that I got on Amazon. Let's go. All right, today we're going to be installing this Mabit plug and play, fog lights for the 2021 Plus Bronco. Got it on Amazon. Looks pretty easy. I'll put the link below of the guy that I followed to put this on. Here we go. Wish me luck. All right, first things first, you're going to remove the torque screws from the bumper, and here I test fit the light to make sure I got the right side, of course. Once that you see it fits, put the wires through and reuse the screws that you took off the bumper and tighten it up. Easy as that. All right, that's in the one side, and then the harness comes with it for each side that plugs into your light fixture. Man, it is hot in here. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to do the same thing to the other side, and we're going to drop in that light and tighten it up. All right, next we have to remove a couple of these clips here, here, and a couple here and here to remove this well, so we can get to the light on the other side. So here we go. So there's plastic clips, and you just have to take a Phillips screwdriver and lightly add pressure and unscrew them. Those should come out pretty easy. If not, you'll have to use a tool to pluck them out. You might want to turn your tire so you have access to the wheel well so you can get to the screws better. All right, so it's super hot in here. So we got these connectors, some switches. I think this goes into the headlight. This goes into the lamp itself. They give you a bunch of zip ties to go with it. And this goes into the piece that comes out from the headlight. So let's do this. So you just pull this piece out right here. All right, so let's see. This piece looks like it matches up to this piece right here. So let's go and match those up together like that. Ooh. This piece goes up here. Oh yeah. And this piece goes right here. This is the connector right here. They go together like that. To secure the wires, I have added zip ties right here to keep them out of the way and safe and secured. Right. Now, all right, with the wires tucked in, we have to fold back the this felt piece for the wheel well, and there you go. And you just add in the clips, and they push right in. Up, up, up. And you tighten the screws up, and you're good to go. All right, guys, I'm going to do this to the other side. Hopefully it goes that easy. I mean, the hardest part is taking out those screws. Anyway, I've got extra, so I'm good. And work on the other side. Okay, wish me luck. All right, Now it's time to zip tie and get these things back together and see how it looks.
Turn off the lights.
Bota essa daqui na playlist.
Alright guys, that wraps it up for the Maybit fog lights that are just plug and play. I just want to make mention, none of the things that I have here are that I put on my Bronco I'm sponsored for. I bought with my own hard-earned cash. And anyway, I just wanted to say thanks for everybody for watching and supporting my channel. I'm just out here just trying to give information the best I can, and hopefully you guys like it. If you do like it, hit that like button and subscribe for more content as they come out. And I've got more stuff that I put on that I videoed or not videoed, but anyway, there's a helicopter up there. Thanks everyone, have a great weekend. Like and subscribe again. I really appreciate everybody, and that'll just help you get on the trail and look good and make your Bronco look good. Go do it and go check them out. All right, goodbye everybody. See you next time.